Hello, today we're going to learn how to create folders and labels. The difference between labels and folders might seem difficult to understand. We will first explain the labels and then the folders because we think it is easier to understand it when you have seen it before. In the end, we will just do a quick recap highlighting the differences between them. Folders are used as a way of storing emails away from the inbox page. When you put an email into a folder, you are erasing it from the inbox page and moving it into a separate storage space in your email. Keep in mind that the email is still there. It is just stored in a different place, but if you can't find it, you can always look for it in the search bar that is being highlighted at the moment. Now I will just show you a quick example on how to search for an email. To look for an email, you can enter the email address from the person from whom you have received it. You can enter the name of that person, you can enter the subject or keywords that have been written in the email. For example, if I want to look for an email that Tim has sent me, so I can put his name on top, then just put Tim, press enter, and then all the emails that he has sent me or that contain his name for some reason appear here. And then I can just look for it. On the other hand, if I just want to search for a specific word, then I just enter the word. For example, I can enter ePioneer's, press enter, and then all the emails related to ePioneer's just appear. This is basically just narrowing the search. Coming back to how folders work, we're going to learn how to create a folder and how to insert emails into it. It is important for you to know that actually labels and folders are created in the same way. There are 3 ways of creating a folder and a label. But beware, because you will see that in Google they use the same word label to refer to both labels and folders, so pay attention to the explanation. The first way is to click on an email that you want to put into the folder, so select it, and then in here you can see that there is a picture of a folder where it says move to, so click on it, and then in the end it says create new. So just click on that and then enter whatever name you want. For example, I'm going to put Tim. So all the emails that I'm going to have in this folder are going to be from Tim. So I just click create and then it has automatically been moved into the folder. If I want to go into the folder, then I can find it here on the left hand side. Just click on it and then all the emails that I have in that folder are here. So here you can see the email that I just put in this folder. If you want to go to the inbox and select another email that you want to insert into the folder, just click on it and then just keep on selecting. Just go into folder and this time just select where you want it to be. So just click on Tim and then they've automatically been moved. If you have, for example, made a mistake and then you have put them in the wrong folder, or you just wanted to select 2 instead of 3, then you see that in here there is a little message that says 3 conversations have been moved to Tim. So if you click on undo, then they will come back into the inbox. Probably the easiest way to create a folder and a label is to just go to the left hand side menu and click on more. Just scroll down and then just click on create new label. And then just enter the name that you want for the label or for the folder. Once you create it, it will appear on the left hand side menu where all the folders and labels are. Finally, the last way of creating a folder and a label is by clicking on this wheel on the right hand side where it says settings. Just click on it and then that will display a menu. Then go to settings and this screen will appear. Here on the top you can see that there is a small menu starting with general and ending up with themes. Well, the second word in the menu is labels, so click on it and then here you can see all the labels that you actually have in your email so far. So just click on create new label and then just enter the name. Here you can also select the labels that you want on your left hand side menu by just clicking on show or hide. For example, if I don't want ATB to be shown, then I just click on hide and it will disappear. I'll show that again. So here you can see that there is no ATB. So you just click on show and then it will appear again. You can do that with any folder or label that you want. For example, if you don't want any of them to be shown, just click hide in all of them, and then you can see how they are all being hidden. You can always change that by following the same procedure, just coming here and then just clicking on show again, and then you see they will appear again. To go back, just click on inbox and then you go to the inbox page again. Finally, we're going to learn what a label is. As you can see here, there are little tags on the emails on the inbox page. Those are the labels. They are present in the inbox page rather than on their own separate folder. They can actually be the titles of the folders that you have created. The advantage that this has is that you can actually put more than one label into one email and that they are all present in your inbox page. I have already shown you how to create them, which is just following the steps that were explained before to create the folders, and now I'm going to show you how to put the labels into the emails. So to do that, it's actually really simple and similar to the previous one. So you just select the emails, and then instead of clicking on the folder, you just go to the right where it says labels, just click in there and then just select the ones you want. In this case, you can select more than one label. For example, if you wanted to have two labels, you can select ePioneer's and ATB, and then you can select as many as you want. And then always remember to click on apply. And then you see that the label appears here. It works the same way if you actually want to delete the labels. For example, you just click on labels, then untick them, and then click on apply. It is also very nice because you can actually put different colors into the labels. To do that, you just go to the left hand side menu, here where you can see the titles of the labels and folders. So as you can see, there is a small arrow here, so you just click on it and then you can choose the color, or if you want it to be shown or hidden. And then you can also edit it, remove the label, or actually add a sub-label, which would actually mean just a folder inside another folder, or two labels that will be present on the same email. Finally, as a quick recap, remember that folders and labels are created the same way. The only difference is that folders store the emails in a different place so that they are just not hanging around in your inbox page, and on the other hand, labels are just tags that you put in your emails that can just help you organize a bit better your inbox page so that you can find the emails that you want easily. I hope you liked the video. I know it's a bit long, but I hope it helped you. Goodbye and see you next time.